Welcome to our YouTube channel and please do subscribe it for more videos and updates. Don't forget to press notification button. Okay, let's begin with the information. Stuffcool is a well-known name in the affordable audio and accessories space, with a wide range of earphones, wireless speakers, chargers and cables available to buy in India. The focus is on affordability for most of its products, including the latest one launched today. Stuffcool has launched its latest product in India, the Stuffcool Bac earphones, at an introductory price of Rs. 799 in India. The Bac has an in-canal fit and a microphone that enables hands-free calling. The Stuffcool Bac is available to buy on the company's official online store as well as on Amazon and Flipkart. The introductory pricing of Rs. 799 is on the official e-store, while Amazon and Flipkart have variable pricing that is closer to the maximum retail price of Rs. 999. For connectivity, the Bac uses the 3.5mm plug to connect to a wide range of smartphones and other compatible devices. While many products in this price range are purely for audio, the Stuffcool Bac has a microphone and inline remote that allows users to take voice calls using the headset, as well as control volume and playback directly from the headset. The ear casings are metal while the cable is nylon-braided, making the Bac a bit more durable and resistant to tangles. The Bac uses 9mm dynamic drivers, and has an impedance of 16 ohms. Stuffcool recently launched the Monty wireless in-ear headphones for Rs. 1999 in India, which comes with a neckband design and Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity. The Stuffcool earphone range in India is priced at Rs. 499 onwards. Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and comment on our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.